Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have two sheets open. Start by normalizing key columns so comparisons are reliable. Use trim to remove stray spaces and lower to make text consistent. Once done, create a working tab and bring both tables together with import range or copy/paste if smaller. Make sure headers line up and set a unique identifier column, email, ID, or concatenated fields to compare rows. This first cleanup reduces false positives and sets you up to run accurate duplicate checks quickly. Now you run the actual matching formulas. Use COUNTIF on the combined identifier to mark duplicates within one sheet and COUNTIFs if you need multi-column rules. For cross-sheet checks, match or VLOOKUP against the imported range returns existence and row number. Wrap with ISNA to detect non-matches. Once you have a flag column, apply index filtering or filter to list duplicates. Use array formula so the logic fills new rows automatically. This saves reapplying formulas when data changes. Finish by resolving flagged rows. Filter or sort by your duplicate flag and decide which record to keep based on timestamp or completeness. If you prefer a clean copy, run unique on the key columns to generate a deduplicated sheet. Once changes are applied, verify by rerunning COUNTIF to ensure 0 duplicates remain. If results look wrong, check for invisible differences, non-breaking spaces, different date formats, or leading zeros, and reapply trim and value conversions. That one troubleshooting step fixes most mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.